Here you see a fissure not far from the volcano, but it's ancient fissure, it's not new one. It's called the erupting fissure. So you have to be extremely careful when hiking here. I think this is the biggest one I saw. Like, very deep one. Wow. It's tectonic fault, you know. It's so don't walk here in the dark, definitely not. Wow, it's ancient fissure, was here since ancient times, like for thousands of years, and nothing new. And the volcano is erupting just above there. So you can come like 1 kilometer distance to the volcano, possible, but I don't recommend it to anyone. At least I did. I think I was 2 kilometers distance. So there you see the volcano erupting, and this fissure is right here, like which I was showing you, like where this hill is, like, because I walked it already some distance, but it's some 2 kilometers north from the volcano. So nice view in the night. You see, it's a beautiful view. Two fountains shooting very high, just one location. I'm walking back, it's getting dark already. There you see Snæfell's secret volcano on Snæfell's peninsula. I went there maybe 200 times with tourists and day trips. There are many falls here actually, so that was not the only one. Like, here's another one, kind of hidden. I keep walking. Walking back. So it's possible to get like 2 kilometers, 1.5 to the volcano if you walk through this mess for 1 hour at least. And here's another fissure. You see, there are quite a few of them. When you walk, there are such fissures that you have to cross. There are passages, so it's fine. Hey! Hey! It's better to walk here, because here is the passage.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Okay. I follow.
We're walking back now. And this is what we see here.